asuntosakeyhtiö Myyrmäki.
It's also amazing today on the 38th of January 2024, and also the Carpenter light is working here. It's on Putousrinne, Fallbrinken 1, staircase D, here in Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Vantaa, which is also modernized Finland. This was built in 1974 by Kone with AB8 fixtures, but it's likely to be the beginning of 1974 due to the sounds. They're completely the same as on the 1968 Kone, right? The same version is 30265, and it will be accepted in the next year 2095. It's turning 50 years old this year in 2024.
Ist dit bei Liftinstitutet med ett pasilla.
I love the sounds in here.
Same.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's